Today we're making chickpea piccata, a tasty, low-calorie vegetarian dish. In a large, heavy-bottomed pan set over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the olive oil is shimmering, add 1 scant cup of thinly sliced shallots. Sauté the shallots for about 3 minutes, and then add 6 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. Sauté for about 2 minutes more until the shallots and garlic start to turn golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Stir constantly for about 2 minutes. The breadcrumbs should turn a few shades darker. Add 2 cups of vegetable broth and 1/3 a cup of dry white wine and a few dashes of fresh black pepper and a generous pinch of dried thyme. Turn up the heat and bring to a rolling boil, letting the sauce reduce by half. This should take about 7 minutes. Add 1 15.5-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, and 1/4 cup of capers with a little brine. Heat through for about 3 minutes. Turn off heat and add 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Serve over a bed of greens like spinach or arugula, topped with mashed potatoes. That's it. You're done. Enjoy!